Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this lecture we are going to see the C code for our LeetCode problem number 202, happy number. So I have already made a video on the lecture part. You can check it out in our channel. So in this lecture, in this video we are going to learn the C code line by line with simple words. So I have already written the code for you. I am going to explain it line by line. So without any delay, let's begin. So first we're going to see our first line. So bool is happy with the parameters of int n. So we create a function name is happy. So this function takes one input n as one number as an input from the user. So it returns true if the number is happy or false if the number is not happy. So on the second line we have the while loop, the condition. So n is not equal to 1 and n is not equal to 4. So this is the main loop. The loop keeps running until n becomes 1 or n becomes 4. Why 1? So because if a number reaches 1, it is a happy number. So why 4? Because every unhappy number eventually enters a cycle that reaches 4. So 4 is used to detect an unhappy number. So line 3, we have declared int sum equal to 4. Int sum equal to 0. We create a variable called sum. Initially it is 0. So this variable will store the sum of squares of digits. So on the next line we have written when n is greater than 0. So now every digit of the number. So the loop runs until all digits are removed. So that's where the loop runs until all the digits are removed. When the while loop, when n is n is less than 0, the while loop gonna ends. So this is what. So now we are going to move the fifth line. So int digit equal to n percentile 10. So this extracts the last digit. Suppose example, if the example is n equal to 19, so 19 percentile 10 equal to 9, so digit becomes 9. So on the next line we have sum equal to sum plus digit square. So we square the digits and then add it to the sum. So example, in our previous example we got digit equal to 9. So sum initially 0. So 0 plus 9 square equal to 81. So the sum becomes 81. So on the seventh line we have n equal to n divided by 10. So this removes the last digit. So example, in our previous example 19 divided by 10. So we'll get answer as 1. So now n becomes 1. So the digit 9 has been removed. So the inner loop, suppose in our example, let us take example 19. So first iteration digit will become 9 and the sum become 81 and n becomes 1. So this is our first iteration. On the second iteration digit becomes 1 and sum becomes 82 and n becomes 0, n equal to 0. So now loop stops, n equal to 0, but the condition is n should be greater than 0. So the final sum is 82. So on the line 8 we have closed this while loop and we have declared line. On the line 9 we have declared n equal to sum. Now replace the old number with the new sum. So this is what, and finally we are returning with n equal to 1. This returns our final answer. So this is all about the code of the happy number. So let us run it. So we have successfully run the code. I hope this lecture is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next lecture.